We're shifting focus now to more news coming in from Telangana now. We're given to understand that Bandi Sanjay, who is the chief of the BJP in Telangana, who was arrested late last night, along with hundreds of BJP workers, has now been remanded to custody. KCR government had put him under arrest and several of the other BJP leaders over their protest against the government's policy on employee transfers. The Karimnagar MP of the BJP, also the party president in the state, has now been remanded for 14 days in judicial custody. 5 others, along with Bandi Sanjay, have also now been remanded to judicial custody for the next 2 weeks. These are visuals that are on your screens from late last night, where the arrest was made of Bandi Sanjay by the Telangana police. He was picked up by force along with several other supporters, brought to the police station. Today, he was produced in court and has now been remanded to 14-day judicial custody. Shaumit's with me for more on this. Now, Shaumit, the KCR government, the police claims that there was no permission for this protest to be held by the BJP chief and their supporters. There is a pandemic that is going on. It's against the COVID-19 protocol. There was no permission, and which is why he was arrested. But the BJP claims that this is nothing but murder of democracy.
Well, exactly. After continuous protests, and yesterday again, the BJP president has organized a protest against the government because, the 347 GO, and also, he was demanding jobs notification, and he has organized a protest, unique protest starting from yesterday night to till today morning. But police immediately reached the spot, and they said that you don't have the permission, as because GO number 1, the COVID protocols is in place, and you can't violate the protocols. And after that, a heated discussion has been taken place, and after that, police immediately barged into the camp office of Karimnagar MP Bandi Sanjay, and later arrested him along with other BJP leaders. And also, he was shifted to the local police station. And today, the police said that they have arrested him under several sections of IPC, including non-bailable sections like 188, 332, 333, 149, and 147, including the Disaster Management Act. And, all the top leaders, including JP Nadda, has slammed the TRS government, saying that they are murdering the democracy. When TRS doing the rallies, they are allowed. And when BJP is organizing a protest, they are not allowed. That too inside a BJP camp office.
Right, Shaumit, thank you so much for getting us those details.